Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm the Magic Card Man. Today, I'm going to be teaching you 2 easy magic tricks. So the first trick you can do to impress your friends or family is vomit cards, or throw up cards. So how do you do this? You need a small amount of cards, like this much, just a few. You don't need too many. And what you want to do is get your hand, palm it. So how to do a palm is you have your hand about like this, cards, hand, and just kind of hold it just like this. So then on this side, no one can see it. Grab it and go switch down, just like that. So all together it should look like this, like that. And you want to go a little bit acting. How cool is that? And then the other trick, we're gonna be using the 5 of hearts. It doesn't really matter, any card, and do the Tenkai Vanish, just like that. So how do you do the Tenkai Vanish is you hold the card just like this, middle finger here, and then your index finger in the back or pointer finger, and bring it in just like this. Grab it with your thumb, hold it just like this, and then it's vanished. It vanishes. And then when you're like this, kind of push up with your thumb, and then grab it with your fingers, and then now it reappears just like that. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!